Hi, I'm Alan Stratton from As Wood Turns. Welcome to the wrap-up of the Christmas Ornament Challenge of 2017.
Welcome back. We have the Christmas Ornament Challenge results. I want to thank everybody who participated. There's so many wonderful ornaments. I want to thank everybody who helped us out with the Viewers' Choice Awards too. Thank you guys. And I want to thank all of the sponsors. Thank you so much for being a part of this and making it another great year. All right, I'm going to run through those and go show these guys some love, please. I want to thank Easy Wood Tools for donating a set of tools. I want to thank Robust Tools for donating some lathe accessories, live center, tool rest, tool handles, things like that. Thank you very much, guys. Let's see, I'm going to go right down the list here. Scott and Nancy, thank you from Imagine Inlay. They donated some pearl. I want to thank Chad at Mancrafting, a custom mug, a powder-coated mug. Thank you, Chad. Izzy at Toolmaster donated yours membership to Toolmasters. Thank you so much, Izzy. Chefware Kits, a $50 gift certificate. Woodturner's Wonders, another $50 gift certificate from them. A friend of mine, Mark, he donated a year's membership to the AAW. Thank you very much, Mark. Starbond CA donated some CA glue for some of the prizes. Thank you very much. I have Yorkshire Grit, the sanding paste. Thank you very much, Glenn. Some Hampshire Sheen. Thank you very much, Martin. Martin donated some polish, and we have D-Way Tools. Thank you so much for another gift certificate from D-Way Tools.
Our sponsors this year included Craft Supplies with books and gift certificates, Cook Woods with gift certificates, Beal Tool Company with equipment, As Wood Turns with a Infinite Access chuck kit. In awarding the prizes, we asked each of the finalists to select and order their list of prizes, and we tried our best to honor those. We'll communicate that to the winners in a separate email. First, thank you to all of you who watched the videos of all the ornaments and the Viewer's Choice video and submitted your picks. We'll read you your top choices a bit later.
We broke it up into a few different categories.
Our winners, first by category. Let's look at those that look like an angel submission. We have Billy Burt, the Wood Yogi, and Elizabeth Day. In a category we call Display, Robert Steen, Grace Silverwood, Derek Oliver, Stuart Fernini, and Mauro Mignone. For those we categorized as globes, Terry Vance, Brent Arnold, Michael Masters, Jason Clark, Anthony Struskanoff, Jason Mickley, Sterling Davis. The Inside Out category, Jeremy Edwards, Chris Knight. Snowman, Mauro Mignone, Daniel Saboti. Those that were Christmas tree ornaments, Zyla Foxland, Billy Burt, Rick Morris, twice, and Daniel Saboti. In a general category, Derek Oliver, Tom Mitbo, Jeremy James, Steve Krumaker, and Daniel Saboti. Now for the viewer's choice. Some of these videos actually fit into some of the other categories, but since you selected them, they deserve separate mention. So in 9th place, Ethan McCrary. 8th place, it's video number 8, Walt Wager. 7th place, video 50, Ellie Polite. In 6th place, video number 3, Pat Lapp. 5th place, video 17, O.J. Stevens. 4th place, video number 34, Sean Everly. In 3rd place, video number 10, Tom Ackley. 2nd place, video number 18, Ellie Polite. And the grand prize winner, video number 49, Yuhal Lahav. Thank you to all participants in this Christmas Ornament Challenge. It has been a ton of fun, although it also has been a ton of work. Thank you again. Now, looking forward to next year. Be a lot the same, but we'll make a couple of changes. One is we're going to ask for shipping addresses when you submit your ornament. That will speed up the process at the tail end and make it a bit quicker. Hopefully we can get this wrap-up video out before Christmas rather than after Christmas. And another thing, the challenge has grown far beyond North America, and shipping charges are a real problem for prizes to be sent to people outside North America. If possible for next year, approach sponsors who would be willing to sponsor us particularly in the UK, the Eurozone, Australia, and South America. I think we've got North America covered already, but if we can have more sponsors from those areas, that would be greatly appreciated. And the date, about the same, November of 2018. Plan now, bring on your best work, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas.
I want to thank everybody for participating. I want to thank all the sponsors. Thank you so much, guys. So I'll have a list down below of all the sponsors to the challenge as well. All right, get your ideas ready for next year. All right, take care.